A very good morning to all my patines. So I am back with your computer class. I hope you all are enjoying your computer classes. So in the last class we had done question answers. We have started. So today we'll do the leftover questions of chapter 8 word inserting graphics. Okay. And after this your chapter will be over. So keep revising the chapter, and in the next class we are going to start the new chapter. So let's finish the question answers of chapter 8 today. So here are the question answers. Now the fourth question is, why do we use shapes? So why we use the shapes in our document? We use shapes because they add visual appeal to our document. Visual appeal means देखना, जो आप देख सकते हो. Okay, visual appeal together means कि जो आपको देखने में अट्रैक्टिव लगे, अच्छा लगे. Okay, so word provide us large number of shapes to organize and design the इमेज विच वी डिज़ायर. जो भी हम इमेज को डिज़ाइन करना चाहते हैं, जिस भी इमेज को हम यूजिंग द शेप्स उसको कर सकते हैं. सो विल राइट द आंसर. सो एवरीवन जस्ट कीप राइटिंग विद मी. वी यूज शेप्स because they add visual appeal to our document. And provides large collection of shapes and word provides a large collection of shapes to organize and design the image we desire. To organize and design the image we desire. Okay, so just keep writing with me, and those who have written, they can just leave one line, write down the next question. What is the function of drop cap feature? Drop cap feature का function क्या है? So your drop cap feature allow us to display the first character of the paragraph. So drop cap feature से क्या होता है, ये हमें अलाउ करता है कि हम जो हमारा पैराग्राफ है उसके फर्स्ट लेटर को हम लार्ज कैपिटल लेटर में चेंज कर सकते हैं. सो विच एनहांस द अपीयरेंस ऑफ पैराग्राफ. जो हमारे पैराग्राफ की जो अपीयरेंस होती है उसको बढ़ा देता है, इंक्रीज़ कर देता है. ओके, सो जस्ट राइट डाउन द आंसर. ड्रॉप कैप फीचर allows us to display the first character of the paragraph in a large capital letter. In a large capital letter. That enhances the appearance of the paragraph. Okay, so just write down, keep writing with me, and you have to write in a neat and clean handwriting. Okay, and those who have written, they can just leave one line and write down the next question. Why do we save our document? हम अपने document को save क्यों करते हैं? So we save our document into the memory of computer for its future use. So हम अपने डॉक्यूमेंट को सेव करते हैं ताकि हम उसको फ्यूचर में जब भी हमें उसकी ज़रूरत पड़े, उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट हो, हम उसको यूज़ कर सकें. ओके, सो जस्ट राइट डाउन द आंसर. We save our document into the memory of computer for its future use. For its future use. Okay, so just complete it, write down, and if you have any doubt, any query, any question related to the question answer or related to the chapter, you can ask. I'm here to help you, and you have to write in a neat and clean handwriting. Okay, and I hope that you have done both the worksheet of chapter 7 which I have sent to you in your computer notebook. I am going to check your notebooks. Okay, so this is your chapter 8. Here the chapter is complete along with the exercise. So just keep revising the chapter 7 and chapter 8 and keep practicing on computer and laptop as well. And in the next class we will be starting our new chapter, that is chapter 5, Scratch Introduction. Okay, so just complete your chapter 7 and chapter 8 exercise question answer in computer notebook. If anyone have not done, complete it. So just do it. So now we'll meet tomorrow, and if you have any doubt, any query, just note down, just underline in your book, and you can ask in the Zoom session. So till then, take care, stay safe, bye.